Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When an Xfinity box starts freezing during live TV recordings or menu navigation, it can interrupt your viewing experience and make the device feel unresponsive. In many cases, freezing issues are caused by temporary software glitches, signal interruptions, overheating, or connection problems rather than a hardware failure. A few quick checks can often help improve performance and restore normal operation without requiring a replacement box. Before contacting support, it's worth going through some basic troubleshooting steps that may resolve the issue. In this video, I'll show you several simple things you can try to stop your Xfinity box from freezing. Try these. Step 1. Restart the Xfinity box. Step 2. Check cable connections on the Xfinity box. Step 3. Verify signal strength for the Xfinity box. Step 4. Clear airflow around the Xfinity box. Step 5. Update software on the Xfinity box. Step 6. Test the Xfinity box again.